Hi friends, this is Sagarika from Step Up English, extending a very warm welcome to all of my viewers on YouTube. Today's video is on English idioms starting with the letter D that you must know to enhance English fluency. With all that being said, let's get started with today's video. Dog days, meaning very hot days of summer. Usage. Now that the dog days of the summer are here, the acne on my face will grow rapidly. I got to take good care of my facial skin. Dog eat dog, meaning highly competitive. Usage. This is a dog eat dog environment, described Jay of his work environment. Dirty look, meaning an expression of anger, a look of disgust, disapproval. Usage. Sandra gave me a dirty look, and I instantly knew that she was mad at me, said Sheila. Double-edged sword, meaning something that has an advantage and a disadvantage. Usage. Fame is a double-edged sword. Don't cry over spilled milk, meaning not to cry or be upset about past events that cannot be undone. Usage. It's pointless to cry over spilled milk. Had you not placed all the eggs in one basket, you could have made some money in stock market this year. Dutch uncle, meaning lecture someone, criticize, speak bluntly, negative connotation aimed at a man. Usage. Don't be a Dutch uncle tonight. Let the young adults enjoy themselves at the party. Drive someone up the wall, meaning to irritate or anger someone, infuriate. Usage. Tom is avoided at his workplace by his colleagues. He can drive anybody up the wall, said one of his colleagues. Drain the lizard, meaning to urinate. Usage. I had to stop the bus to drain the lizard. It was urgent, said Sid. Drop a line, meaning to write a letter or an email. Usage. I'll drop a line to Mr. Smith as soon as I reach work. Down the road, meaning in the future, later on. Usage. I wish to buy an apartment as an investment down the road. Dressed up to the nines, meaning dressed smart. Usage. Sid was dressed up to the nines at the corporate party. Drive a wedge between, meaning to create discord and disharmony between two people or united group of people. Usage. Both families got along very well until a mutual friend drove a wedge between them, thus causing a friction and a permanent rift. Draw a long bow, meaning exaggerate or lie. Usage. Everyone is aware of Betsy, who enjoys drawing a long bow on her extravagant lifestyle for attention. Draw a blank, meaning unable to remember something. Usage. I knew the ingredients needed for the recipe, but as soon as I turned on the gas stove, I drew blank. Dance to someone's tune, meaning doing what someone else wants or forces you to do. Usage. Our supervisor expects us to dance to her tunes, or else she'll get us fired. Practice lessons. Not everyone is here to dance to your tunes, said Natasha to Sunil. Although I met Chirag at the conference, I, however, drew blank when he visited me at my workplace. It continues to bother me how Samir drew a wedge between my best friend and I, thus causing our friendship to break. Betsy can get anyone to dance to her tunes through her manipulation. There were several ideas blossoming in my head, but as soon as I sat down to pen those ideas, I drew a blank. Why would I care to be dressed up to the nines at a brunch? Asked Rohan. Nobody could mend the crack that was created by Anand. He purposely drew a wedge between the team members in order to break their unity. It was a strategic move. The model was dressed up to the nines for the party, and she looked absolutely gorgeous. Do you have plans to get married anytime soon? Nothing too soon, but surely down the road, said Sheila. He tried to draw a wedge between the friends, but was left unsuccessful. If you do not start researching on your assignment topic soon, you will be faced with problems down the road. Ignore Ali as much as you can. He is known to draw anyone up the wall. Tina has the tendency to draw a long bow on anything she talks about. Students are requested to drop a line to their respective class teachers to confirm their attendance to the upcoming school fete. The severe cold is driving me up the wall. No one likes to be around a Dutch uncle, so please don't be one. Sarah is the least favorite among the group. There is not a single time when she does not draw a long bow whenever she gets a chance. If only had I dropped a line to Miss Lydia on my travel itinerary, she could have arranged an office driver for airport pickup, said Anand. This pandemic has surely driven people up the wall. Don't be a Dutch uncle at the party, warned Sally to her father. Life of a celebrity is a double-edged sword. It brings privileges and disadvantages. You have commenced work at a place where dog eats dog is practiced extensively. It wasn't your fault that the vase fell off your hands and broke, so don't cry over spilled milk. Dog days are here. My trouble with oily skin will be heightened. Her dirty look gave me an instant indication of a disapproval on the matter that was being discussed at the board meeting. Rakesh and Neil are in a dog-eats-dog situation. Both are eyeing for the title of senior manager, which brings with itself privileges and honor. Technology is a double-edged sword. Meera gave me a dirty look at the party. Don't cry over spilled milk. What's done is done, said Mother. The air conditioning needs to be serviced before the arrival of dog days. I will be right back. Got to drain the lizard. I'm not big on cars, but my friend Sally is. So I danced to her tune and accompanied her to a motor exhibition that was held in the city. Although he was warned of the dog-eat-dog environment at the workplace, yet Sid chose to get involved in it. I completely drew a blank on the answers to the questions that I had prepared during the study leave, said Nisha to her friend. Sheila gave me a dirty look at the social gathering last week. Is she still mad at me? Wondered Neil. The HR manager is the most manipulative person at the workplace. She can get anyone to dance to her tune through emotional manipulation. No public toilets will be available in the next 13 kilometers. Should you need to drain the lizard, use the facilities in here, notified the guide. The finance team will process your monthly work expenses only if you drop them a line with receipts attached to the email, explained Sarah. The Smith family is not one of our favorite families in the neighborhood because the husband can be a Dutch uncle. Don't dare to drive me up the wall, or you may have to suffer adverse consequences, warned Ali. Do make sure to drop a line to the HR team, requesting them for your insurance card. Our friendship turned toxic. There was never a day when Roy would not drive me up the wall. It's urgent. I need to drain the lizard, said Mohsin. Thank you for watching this video.